Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Everyone say hello. 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 Let's do our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap. Let's end our meditation together with 3 breaths. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our math lesson. In this math lesson, we're going to be comparing the different volumes of different containers. So we're going to think about which has a higher or a lower volume, which ones can hold more or less. So we're going to review some of our terms. We will talk about how we measure those containers, and then we'll get some practice with our friends measuring containers, and we'll make some guesses or hypotheses about which containers are going to be able to hold more volume or less volume. So first, let's review some of our measurement terms. If we measure like this, what are we measuring? Height. Good, we're measuring height. H. And then it gets kind of funny. I-G-H-T. What do we call this?
Tall.
Tall. And this?
Short.
Short. Good job, friends. Tall. Very nice. A-L-L. What 2 letters start short? Short. S and? S and H. Mm-hmm. Short. Good. Short. What about when we measure like this?
Long.
Mm-hmm. We're measuring our length. Our length. And this one we call long, and this one short. Good job. What's the first sound we hear in length and long?
L.
Mm-hmm. L. Length. We measure long and short. What about when we measure how heavy something is? Do you remember what that's called?
Wait.
Good. Very nice, friends. Our weight. Weight. And weight is how heavy or how light something is, how hard it is to pick up or how easy it is to pick up. So show me something that's easy to pick up at your desk. A ruler. What else is easy to pick up at your desk?
Eraser.
An eraser.
Pencil.
Yeah.
And pen.
Pencils and pens and rulers and erasers. Yeah. Those are all light and easy to pick up. Your colored pencils, your pencil sharpeners. Very nice, friends. So let's practice some of these together with our hand motions. Show me tall. Show me short. Short. Tall. Short. Tall. Short. Show me the other short for length. Good. And long. Short. Long. Short. Very nice. Pretend something's very heavy to pick up. Heavy, like when we have our heavy monkey arms. Heavy. Show me heavy with your hands, friends. Put your desk down. Show me heavy with your hands. Heavy. Heavy. And light. Light. It's easy to pick up. Heavy. Light. Heavy. Light. Very nice. Okay. What do you think is longer? Longer, so more long. What do you think is longer? My hair or Prow's hair? My hair is longer. It's more long. It's more long. What do you think is heavier? More heavy? A dog or a zebra?
Zebra.
The zebra. Yeah, he would be a lot harder to pick up. Very good, friends. What do you think is taller? More tall? Me or the school?
School.
The school. Yeah, the school is taller. It's more tall. So when something is more tall, we say taller.
Taller.
If something is more short, we say shorter.
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 Good. What do we say if something is more long?
Longer.
Good, friends. We say longer. Longer. Very nice. Longer and shorter. Yeah. When something is heavy, we say it's heavier. Heavier. It's more heavy. It's harder to pick up. If something is lighter, it's easier to pick up. It's more light. We say heavier, lighter. Very nice. So we add those ERs to the end of our words, and we're going to talk about that next with some of our vocabulary and some of our containers. Okay, so let's review some vocabulary that we've talked about in some past lessons when we are measuring different things. So we've got our flashcards up on the board. What's this word? Long.
Short.
Short.
Tall.
Tall. Short.
Big.
Big.
Small.
Small. Most. Most.
And less.
And least. Good job, friends. Very nice work. So let's talk about most and least first, since we might have not talked about those in a while. So most is when you have a lot of things. And we're going to use our beans. So
Yeah.
Two and Pac Boom, come on up here.
And me. Me.
Okay, friends, turn around and show your friends how much, I know, show your friends how much beans you have. Show your friends.
This is a bean.
Beans, it's okay. Who has the most beans? Why does she have the most? She has, it's more, yeah, she needs 2 hands. So Pak Bung has the most beans. Who has the least beans? 2 has the least beans. Good. Good job. So Pak Bung has the most beans. She's got a lot more beans. 2 has the least amount of beans. Okay. Very nice, friends. Let's do the beans. Now I have the most beans. Thanks, buddy. Okay, down and pot. Come up here. Who has the most bean, friends? Show your beans. Who has the most beans? Who has the most beans? What do you think? Who has the most beans? He's got a lot. Who has the least beans? Down. Okay, good job, friends. Thank you very much. Is when you have a lot. Least is when you have just a little bit. You have less. So most is when you have a lot. Least is when you have just a little bit. So if we have these beans like this, we've got a pile here, a pile here, and we've got a pile over here.
Oh my God.
Which pile has the most? This one, right? Which pile has the least? This one. It has the least. So we have this, friends, is in order from the most to the least. If we go this way, we have the least, the littlest, to the most. Okay? So we're going to talk about putting things in order like that today. From our biggest to our smallest, from our heaviest to our lightest. We're going to talk about putting things in order because later we're going to measure some things and see how many cupfuls it takes for different volumes. So we have this in order from our most to our least. Good, friends. So let's talk about next big to small. And we use 2 special letters to say when something is more big, we add what letters? ER. If something is more small, what do we say? ER, we say it's smaller. Good. It's smaller or bigger. So smaller, bigger. When something is the most big or the most small, we use 3 letters at the end. E-S-D. Good. S. So we say the biggest, biggest, or the smallest, okay? So let's take a look at our bowls. So Pangpan and Nadir, can you come up here? Take this. Come over here. Come over here. Can you put these in order from the biggest, the most big, to the smallest, the most small? So which one is the biggest? Okay. Good job, friends. Here you go, right here. Thank you, friends. You can head back to your seat. So we have this one. Is this our most big or the most small? Most big. Good. We say biggest. Biggest. All the way down to our smallest. Good job, friends. Our biggest to our smallest. If we go this way, we say smallest to the biggest. Very nice. Okay, good job. Let's have Pen and Let Go. Come on up. Okay, so take these 4 things. Can you put them in order from the tallest to the shortest? Okay, tallest, the most tall, down to the shortest, the most short. So we want our tallest, the most tall, all the way down to the shortest. So think again, friends. We want our tallest all the way down to our shortest, okay? Good job. Looking good. Good job, friends. Which one? Think about which is taller and shorter. Which one is more tall or more short? Okay. Finished? Okay, very nice. We've got our tallest over here, all the way down to our shortest. Good job. You can head back to your desk, girls. Good job. So over here, is this the most tall or the most short? Most tall. What do we call that? Our tallest. We say our tallest. Tallest. And we go all the way down to our shortest. Good job. Our shortest. The thing that is the most short is the shortest. Shortest. So we start at our shortest and go all the way to our tallest if we're from this side. Okay, let's have everybody come up here. And you, friends, are going to get in line from the tallest to the shortest. So you're going to get in line from the tallest to the shortest. We're not touching anything on the desk. You're going to line up. Tallest down to shortest. Who's tallest? Who's shortest? Very, very tall on this side. Very, very short on this side. Nope. Spin, 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 spin. Okay, friends, who's taller? Who do you think? That guy. Okay. Get in line. Tallest to shortest. So if you're taller, if you're more tall, should you be this way or this way?
This way.
This way. Okay, get in line. Get in line. There. Okay, changing up a little bit. What do you think, friends? Are we in line from tallest to shortest?
Yeah.
We do a good job? All right, very nice work, friends. Everybody can head back to your seats. Very good. Very good. And you can take a seat. Yeah, you can take a seat. So just like we practiced, that was our tallest, our most tall. Sit down in your seat, buddy. Sit down. That was our most tall, all the way down to our most short. So we were from tallest to shortest. Good job. Tallest to shortest. Very nice work, friends. Very nice work. We do the same thing if we had longest to shortest. Which one is the most long? That one's the longest. And then we think about which one is the most short, the shortest. So we're going to put some things in order like that today. And we're going to use some other words to think about our order. High and low. Good. High and low. It's kind of like tall and short. Yeah, it's kind of like tall and short. So today we're going to talk about our volume. Does anyone remember what volume means? What is volume? Good. It means the part inside. Inside. We want to measure how big or how little. Yeah, we want to measure the inside. Yeah. The inside. We're going to measure the inside of a lot of our things today. And we're going to measure some things together. And we're going to try to think about which one is more high, higher, or more low, lower. And we're going to try to put those things in order. We're going to think about which one is higher, which one is lower. And we're going to put those things in order just like we practiced. We're going to put them in order with the highest volume, all the way down to our lowest volume, lowest lowest volume. Good, friends. So we're going to practice highest
Highest.
down to
Down to
lowest.
lowest.
Lowest. We're going to put those in order, okay? So just like we practiced with tallest to shortest, biggest to smallest, we're going to put our things in order from highest volume to lowest volume. Which ones can hold more or the most inside, and which ones hold the least inside, okay? The most and the least. And we're going to talk about highest volume and lowest volume today. Okay, let's stand up, friends, and we're going to stretch a little bit. Put your arms up high over your head. Get a little bit taller, more tall. Get a little bit taller, more tall. Good job, friends. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. Come up halfway. Swing your monkey arms. You can get some jumps if you like. Very nice. Good job, friends. Stand up straight and tall. Stand up straight and tall. Put your arms up high again. Put them up as high as you can. Put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. And come up halfway. Pretend your arms are the heaviest monkey arms. And you can do a little monkey jump if you like. Very nice. Good job, friends. Turn to one of your neighbors. Turn to a neighbor.
Hello.
Tell that neighbor hello. Hello with your other hand. High fives down low. High fives up high. Very nice. Shake hands with your neighbor. Give your neighbor a spin. Get a spin for yourself. Do some spinning. Very nice. Tell that neighbor thank you.
Thank you.
Tell that neighbor you're welcome. Let's do 3 big claps. Take 4 big steps. 2 big jumps. And 1 spin. Very nice, friends. Everybody take a seat. So today we are going to measure the different volumes of some of our containers. We're going to think about which one has the highest volume and which one has the lowest volume, okay? So we're going to make our hypothesis. Can you practice that word? Hypothesis. Hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Good. Hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
It's a tricky word, but it just means our guess. Our guess. So our guess is going to be which container we think has the highest or the least volume. So we're going to say, I think
will.
Close. We're going to change it up a little bit today because we're going to compare them. I think this one.
I think this one.
I think this one.
I think this one is
Good. Yeah. Has the
the
highest
highest
volume.
volume.
Good job, friends. That's a tricky sentence. Let's practice it all together. I think this one has the highest volume. Good. I think this one
I think this one
has the highest volume. Good. Has the highest volume. Good job. This one has the highest volume. So first, let's look at some of our things. Let's do our green bowl and our white bowl. Green bowl and our white bowl. Our green bowl and our white bowl. So for our hypothesis, we're going to say, I think this one has the highest volume. So which one do you think has the highest volume?
Green ball.
Okay, let's say the whole sentence. I think this one has the highest volume. Good, and we're just going to say this one today. It's a little bit easier because we have a lot of different things. So let's practice one more time. Raise your hand if you think this one. Raise your hand if you think this one. Okay, let's practice it all together, friends. I think this one has the highest volume. Okay, so we think highest volume and lowest volume. You're probably right. You're probably right. Let's do some other things. Might be a little bit harder to guess. Which one do you think has the highest volume and the lowest volume? Raise your hand if you think this has the highest volume. You can put the most inside, you think? Okay. So let's practice. I think this one has the highest volume. Good job. Raise your hand if you think this one has the highest volume. Raise your hand. Okay. Let's practice. I think this one has the highest volume. Good. Can you practice on your own? Great job, friends. I think this one has the highest volume. So we're going to find out. We're going to find out. So let's take our pink cup. Tew, come on up, help me. Tew thinks this one has the highest volume. So he's going to start. Okay, pour your cup in there.
No fair.
When you pour it, put your hand all the way in. There you go. And then you can pour it. Very nice job. Okay, down. Come on up. How many cups is that so far? 1. Okay. Next. Come on up. How many cups is this? 2. 2. Okay. If you're next, come on up quickly. How many is this? 3. Pour it all the way over. There you go. Keep your hand over the top. Good job. Okay. Who's next? Laka. Laka's going to have 4. Okay. Very nice. Keep your hand all the way over. Good job. Neat. How many do we have in our bowl so far? 4. And you know what, friends? This bowl looks like it's half full. So we've got some more to go. 5. Who's next? So we've got 5 so far. Come on, next. 6. Is this 6 or 7? 6, okay. Okay, put it in. Nadia, you're next. Here you go. How many is this? 7. So we only have 7 right now, friends. So let's stop with 7. 7. Okay, how many after Nadia goes? Now we have 8. Can we still fit more in there, do you think?
Yeah.
8, okay. Pot, come on up. We'll see, we'll see. Pour it in. Hold it over the cup. There you go. How many is this now? 9. Do you think we can fit more? I think we can fit more. Come on. We've got 9. Hold it over the, oh, there you go. There you go. Is that full?
10. Yeah.
Okay, how many cups did that take, friends? 10 cups. So our guess was that this one is going to have the highest volume. So our results, what happened after our experiment? How many cups did it take?
10.
10. So we're going to say it took how many?
10.
10 cups. Good. 10 cups. And for us, it was our 10, so that goes in our blank. Okay. Next one, 2. Come on. There you go. Pour it in for us. Hold your hand in the middle. There you go. And pour, and there you go. One. Okay, down.
And then 2.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on this side. Might be easier. Yeah.
2.
2. Pang pong.
And then 3.
Good. We've got 2. Thank you. 2. Come on this side. Come on this side. Okay. 3. Very nice.
4.
We've got 3.
And then 4.
Neat. Neat. How many is this so far? 4. Okay. Looks like we're almost half full. There you go.
5.
Okay, hold on, buddy. How many is that?
6. 4.
How many? 5.
4.
Does that look full or empty or half full? What do you think?
Half full.
Half full. Okay, how many now after Prow goes?
6.
6. Okay. 6.
7.
We've got 6 right now. Let's see. Pour that in. 7. Okay, we've got 7.
ยังไม่ได้เต็มที่อ่ะยังไม่เต็มเลยยังไม่เต็มที่อ่ะ
8. It's okay. Hot.
เป็น9 โอเค11ทำไม
Pour it in.
มันหมายถึงเราเว้ย
Can we put more inside?
No, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
11.
Pak boom.
11. I think 11.
Okay.
11.
Get in.
11.
How many is it? How many is this right now?
10.
It's 10. Can we put more inside? Okay, 2. Let's go. Come on this side. Come over here. Come over here. Pour that in. Okay, how many is that? Does that look full? Is this full? Can we put any more water inside? No. Okay. Very nice job. Okay, head back to your desk, bud. How many cups did this one take? 11. So we're going to say it took 11 cups. Cupfuls. We can say cupfuls. That's cool. Cupfuls. Okay, friends, now think about this. This one took 11 cupfuls. This one took 10 cupfuls. Which one has the higher volume? 11 cupfuls is the higher volume. So which one has the higher volume, orange or silver? Silver. Good. Which one has the lower volume? Orange or silver? Orange. Good job. So this is our lowest volume. This is our highest volume. Very nice, friends. Okay, so we've measured our highest volume with our least volume. Now we're going to add in this guy. We're going to add in this cup. Which one do you think is going to have the highest volume out of these three? This, and this. What do you think is going to have the highest volume? This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's practice together. I think this one has the highest volume. Very nice. Which one do you think has the lowest volume? Green? Okay, let's practice. We're going to change highest to lowest. I think this one has the lowest volume. Good job. Lowest volume. Lowest volume. Very nice. Okay, we're going to measure our cups. I'm going to pour this one, friends, because we had our big bucket have a hole in it. So we've got a lot of water on our floor. So you're just going to help me count. How many cups does it take? 1. How many is that? 2. We've got 2 so far. This one is 3. Let's see. How many is this? Is this 5 or 4, friends? 4. Is that full?
Yeah.
Can I put any more in?
No.
No, it's full. It's all the way to the top. So how many cups did that take for this one?
4.
How many?
4.
4. So we say it took 4 cupfuls. Very nice. So which was our highest volume? 1, 2, or 3? This? Yeah, the silver one. This was our highest volume, right? It had the biggest amount of water inside, the most water. So we say this is our highest volume. This is our highest volume. Which one was next? Orange. Orange was right in the middle. How many cupfuls did orange take? 10. Good. So that one's right in the middle. And green. Was green our highest or lowest? Lowest. How many cupfuls did green take? 4. So we say this has our lowest volume. Good job. So we have highest volume all the way down to what? Lowest volume. Good. If we go this way, we have lowest volume all the way up to highest volume. Good, friends. Let's practice again. Lowest. Highest. Highest. Good. Highest. Lowest. Very nice job, friends. So thanks so much for joining us for our math lesson today. Everyone say goodbye.